generate 30 seconds long form videos using free tools. Now, Seedance 2.5, one of the good part of it is generating 30 seconds video with just one click. That is the fantastic aspect of Seedance 2.5. But some of you don't know that there is another AI tool that you use every day. You do not even know that this particular tool, you can generate up to 30 second long form videos on this particular free AI video generator that is not Seedance 2.5. All right. Now, in this video, I will be showing you how to generate 30 seconds AI videos using a free and unlimited AI tools. I'm not talking about Seedance 2.5. I'm talking about another AI video generator that gives you 30 seconds AI videos for free. All right. If this is what you're interested in, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I want to see your thoughts on the comment section. Now let's dive into it. Let me show you what to use, the AI generator you're to use, and how to use it to generate 30 long form videos. Do not forget, watch the full video. Let's head over. The first thing you do is get your scene image. Now, I have generated about 3 scenes. Okay, this is a movie I'm working on right now. All right, I've generated 3 scenes. Okay, so the first thing is generate your image prompt. Generate the scenes, their images, and which I've done. And I've equally gone ahead to download each and every one of them. All right, I'm downloading the 3 images that I need. So for you to do this, you need 3 images. Now, another thing you need is your video prompt. Each scene has a video prompt. Each scene has a video prompt. So all the scenes, the 3 scenes I generated their image, these are their video prompts, all of it. These are all video prompts for the 3 scenes. So I copied all of it from ChatGPT and kept it in my doc, all right? Now I've gone ahead to copy every one of it, all right? Now, after copying it, I'll go back, okay? I've copied the 3 video prompts for the 3 scenes. I'll copy it, head back to Google Flow, all right? Right here, you click on plus, okay? Those 3 images we generated of different scenes. Now, because this particular scene, all right, is still one place, all right? That is why you're seeing just 2 people, but there are 3 scenes in it, different dialogue. I will be playing it at the end. So you see that each of these videos has different dialogue. Though there are one similar scenes, but they have different dialogue, all right? Now you go ahead, add all the images to prompt. Now I've added the first image. The second image, I'll look for it. How do you add your image according to the scene? Okay, add them according to the scene. All right, so the first one I've added it. This is the second scene. Okay, now click on plus again and add the third scene. You add them according to the scene. Okay, so you click on plus, and these are 3 scenes, 3 different images. So even if I have them in different places, it goes. Now click on banana, make sure you take it to video. Then click on agent. Okay, make sure this agent is highlighted. It is very important. It takes you to this place. Okay, so you have to scroll down. You click, I'm going for 9:16, so I'll click on 9:16. You can see times 1. Make sure it is at times 1, not times 2, please. Times 1. Now you can go for view 3.1 light or Omega Flash, whichever one is very okay. So you click on save. Make sure it is times 1. Now another thing we'll do before proceeding is heading back to my doc. This part is very important. You get this part. Like, it is very important you include this part that I'm about to show you. Now I've come back to my doc. I copied. All right, then click on plus to add new tab. Look at what I pasted. This is the prompt when it comes to image to video automation. This is the prompt. This prompt you need is, see where you are seeing insert all scenes prompt here. It is very important. I'll come back here, copy the video prompt of the 3 of them. Mind you, the 3 video prompts. Come here, highlight in between insert. You see where you see insert all scenes prompt here. You copy it to this part, then paste. Paste it. All right, I've pasted it. This is all of it. These are all of it. You can see it. All right, this is all of it. All the scene, all the 3 scene video prompt is what I pasted in between that insert. It went down. So what you do next is copy all of it. Now, one thing I'll change, you see this aspect ratio. I want it by 9:16, not 16:9. So if yours is 16:9, you can see the changes I did there. Then you go ahead and copy everything. Copy it and head back to Google Flow AI. That is where you're heading back to. This part that I just showed you is very important because your instruction is needed to generate that long video. It is very important. So I have copied it. I went back to Google Flow, okay? And here I will paste it. I will paste it here. All right, so these are all the prompts. Click here again to make sure, click on settings, make sure it is 1916, okay, 19:16 and view 3 point. Now I can decide to go for a mini flash. For me, I love a mini flash. Okay, so I went for a mini flash, saved. Next thing I'll do is send. Okay, I'll send it. Now, it is very important that your agent is highlighted, all right? Now, I've sent it, okay? Just wait for it. You have to wait because you need to give your approval for the generation to continue, okay? So you give it time. You give it time. This agent helps. Now, you see approve. They are about to generate 3 video generation for me. Those 3 video generation will give me about 30 seconds long video. You click on approve. Now you click on approve, it starts generating your 3 videos. You see it here? These are the 3 videos it is generating. It is generating the 3 of them. So what it did for me is, instead of generating 111, I can generate long. Mind you, this particular generation is free. You all know how to use Google Flow. Okay, it gives you 50 credit on a daily basis. So, and you already know when you sign in using this image, you can sign in using another email, all right? So, it is generating 3 of my video at a go. Mind you, these are different scenes, different dialogue. Forgetting they are they are wearing the same clothes, they are still the same sport, but the dialogue is different. I will be playing it in the end so that you get to see the dialogue it gives me, that the dialogue is different. So you just go ahead and download all the videos, all right? Please watch the end so that you watch what we generated with these 3 images. You see that their dialogue are not the same, all right? So you can generate 3 to 5 scenes at a go, all right? So do not forget to hit the like button and watch what we generated, all right?
Victor, what will happen to Amara's baby after the switch?
Don't worry about that. The child will be taken somewhere safe, where nobody will ever find it.
They want to take my baby. But Victor, after Amara gives birth, how will we get her baby away from her?
Don't worry, everything has already been arranged.
My baby. And after the baby is taken away, what happens to Amara?
Once she gives birth, we interfere.
And her family?
The rest will be easy.
And her family? So this was never about love.